Imagine a single vibrant vegetable that can boost your vision, enhance your skin's glow, and even support your overall health all while tasting absolutely delicious. Enter the humble carrot, rich in beta-carotene, a powerhouse nutrient. Carrots are more than just a crunchy snack. They are nature's gift to your eyes, skin, and immunity. In fact, incorporating carrots into your diet can feel like giving your body a natural healing boost from the inside out. And what better way to enjoy this miracle root than through a soothing, nutrient-packed carrot soup? The nutritional powerhouse. Beta-carotene carrots are famous for their high beta-carotene content, a type of provitamin. Beta-carotene is a carotenoid, a naturally occurring pigment responsible for the orange color in carrots. Once consumed, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, a vital nutrient essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Vitamin A plays a critical role in eye health by maintaining the photoreceptors in your eyes, which are responsible for translating light into visual signals. Without sufficient vitamin A, night vision deteriorates, and the risk of eye diseases increases. Regular consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods like carrots can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, ensuring your vision remains sharp as you age. But beta-carotene's benefits don't stop at the eyes. This powerful antioxidant also protects your skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells, accelerate aging, and contribute to wrinkles and fine lines. By neutralizing these molecules, beta-carotene helps your skin maintain its elasticity, firmness, and radiant glow. Carrots and skin health. If glowing skin is your goal, carrots should be your best friend. The antioxidants in carrots combat inflammation and support skin repair, making them effective in promoting a youthful appearance. Beta-carotene also contributes to a healthy skin tone, giving your skin a natural sun-kissed radiance. Regular carrot consumption can help improve conditions like acne and dry skin by providing essential nutrients that enhance overall skin health. Moreover, the high water content in carrots aids hydration, which is crucial for skin suppleness, paired with vitamin C. Also present in carrots, beta-carotene can boost collagen production, the protein responsible for keeping your skin smooth and elastic. The result? A healthier, plumper complexion that feels as good as it looks. The healing power of carrot soup. While eating raw carrots is beneficial, one of the most enjoyable ways to maximize their health benefits is by making a carrot-based healing soup. Carrot soup is easy to prepare, highly digestible, and allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Cooking carrots slightly enhances the bioavailability of beta-carotene, making it easier for your body to convert it into vitamin A. A simple healing carrot soup recipe includes 4 large carrots, peeled and chopped, 1 medium onion, diced 2 garlic cloves, minced 1 cup vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt and pepper, to taste optional. Fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. Instructions: heat olive oil in a pot and saute onions and garlic until translucent. Add chopped carrots and saute for another 2 minutes. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until carrots are tender. Blend the mixture until smooth, season with salt and pepper, and garnish with fresh herbs. Enjoy this nutrient-packed, healing soup, warm. This carrot soup is not only comforting but also therapeutic. Its warmth soothes the digestive system, while the concentrated beta-carotene supports eye and skin health. You can drink it daily or incorporate it as part of a balanced diet for long-term benefits. Additional health benefits beyond vision and skin health. Carrots offer a wide array of other benefits. Boosts immunity. Vitamin A is essential for immune system function, helping your body fight infections. Supports heart health. Carrots contain antioxidants and fiber, which help regulate cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. Aids digestion. The fiber content in carrots promotes healthy bowel movements, preventing constipation. May reduce cancer risk. Beta-carotene and other antioxidants in carrots can neutralize harmful free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of certain cancers. Supports weight management, low in calories and high in fiber. Carrots make a filling and nutritious snack or meal component. Contraindications and considerations despite their numerous benefits. There are a few considerations to keep in mind when consuming carrots. Excessive consumption. Eating very large amounts of carrots can lead to carotenemia, a condition where your skin takes on a yellow-orange tint. While harmless, it is a sign that you may need to reduce intake. Vitamin A sensitivity. Individuals with liver disease or those taking vitamin A supplements should consult their doctor, as excessive vitamin A can be toxic. Allergies. Though rare, some people may have a carrot allergy, which can cause itching, swelling, or digestive discomfort. For most people, however, moderate consumption of carrots, whether raw, cooked, or in soup form, is safe and highly beneficial. To get the most out of your carrot intake, consider these tips. Pair with healthy fats. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs it better when consumed with fats. Drizzle olive oil on a carrot salad or add avocado slices to your meal. Cook lightly. Steaming or simmering carrots enhances beta-carotene availability without destroying their nutrients. Avoid overcooking, which can lead to nutrient loss. Combined with other nutrients, eating carrots with foods rich in vitamin C, like bell peppers or tomatoes, can enhance antioxidant effects. Carrots in daily life. Incorporating carrots into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start your day with a fresh carrot juice. Add grated carrots to salads, stir them into soups, or roast them with your favorite herbs. Even as a snack, carrot sticks paired with hummus or yogurt dip provide a satisfying crunch while fueling your body with essential nutrients. For those interested in therapeutic benefits, a daily serving of carrot soup can serve as both a comfort food and a natural health tonic. Regular consumption ensures that your body continuously receives beta-carotene, supporting vision, skin, and overall health. A natural approach to health. The beauty of carrots lies in their simplicity and versatility. Unlike supplements, natural sources of nutrients like beta-carotene offer a synergistic effect, where multiple vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants work together to enhance absorption and efficacy. Eating carrots in their natural form allows your body to benefit from this holistic nutritional package, creating a natural defense system for your eyes, skin, and immune system. Moreover, embracing carrot-based dishes like healing soups can encourage a more mindful and balanced approach to eating. Instead of focusing solely on calories or macros, you are nourishing your body with wholesome nutrient-dense ingredients. Carrots as a healing soup. Carrots are not just an ordinary vegetable, they are a natural powerhouse of nutrients that support vision, skin health, immunity, and overall well-being. By incorporating carrots into your diet, particularly through nutrient-rich carrot soup, you can harness the full potential of beta-carotene and other essential compounds. While they are generally safe for most people, it's important to consume them in moderation and be mindful of any allergies or medical conditions. So why wait? Start enjoying the benefits of carrots today. Prepare a warm, healing carrot soup and let this vibrant vegetable transform your health from the inside out. Your eyes will thank you, your skin will glow, and your body will feel revitalized. Don't just admire carrots on the grocery shelf, turn them into a delicious healing soup today and experience the magic of beta-carotene for yourself.
The channel's main mission is to transform solidarity into meaningful action. Every contribution received is directed towards supporting people in vulnerable situations, providing essential help in areas such as food, clothing, medicine, and, whenever possible, opportunities for reintegration into the job market. Sadly, many families face daily struggles to meet their most basic needs, and this is where the channel seeks to make a difference. Donations, whether large or small, are vital to keeping this movement alive. With transparency as a guiding principle, all collected funds are dedicated to initiatives that improve the quality of life for those who need it most. Beyond material support, the channel also promotes awareness campaigns, encouraging a culture of empathy and cooperation among its followers. We believe that every act of generosity can create a chain of hope, positively impacting not only those who receive, but also those who give. By contributing, you become part of a supportive network that transcends barriers and proves that together we can build a fairer and more compassionate future. Your collaboration is more than a donation. It is an act of love and transformation.